Hi, welcome to the Trading from Home series. So you've begun trading from home, you're finding it difficult to stay consistent and managing your trades due to distractions. Here are my top tips to improving your trading from home. Tip number 1, it starts the night before. Failing to prepare is preparing to fail, as they say. This is very true. Organize and plan what you want to do the next morning, the night before. This could be from having your clothes ready, to pre-making your breakfast, and even writing your to-do list. You need to have everything organized and ready to go. The less barriers to the tasks you set yourself from waking up to sitting at your trading desk, the more likely you will be up early and ready to trade the markets daily. Tip number 2, your morning prep work is the most important time for you to achieve trading success. I don't know a single trader who does not have a pre-market checklist. Once you are at your trading desk in the morning, then what do you do to gain the insight you require to understand the current themes, overnight changes, macro data being released, and any other further news developments? You need to keep a time limit to this also. You don't want to spend the entire morning doing this, as you won't take a trade or it will generally lead to analysis paralysis. You don't want to do too little of this, as you may miss an important aspect, moving markets, and miss an opportunity. I would say between 30 to 60 minutes is adequate to capture enough information so that you can move on to analyzing markets and timing your entry points. Tip number 3, I want you to procrastinate. You often hear how to avoid procrastination. A method I often use is time procrastination. Have a daily schedule which includes short blocks of your time to procrastinate throughout the day. And this will help you to avoid procrastinating at the wrong time where you could miss those trading opportunities. Aim to have these blocks during the times you often don't trade, which you can see in your trading journal. Try these 3 tips and see if it benefits your trading from home. Feel free to comment with your own tips also. Thank you.